Now here's your tip. We got a 2011 Massey Ferguson. It's a 5460. It's got the 4.4 Perkins diesel engine. Got some bad injectors. Pull the valve cover off of it, and we got all this nylon plastic stuff. It's broke up. It's supposed to be around this valve spring retainer and the bridge there. And you gotta get these pulled out of here. You're gonna pull the rocker arms assembly out of there to get room. And they told us that we had to have some special tools to get this piece out of here. And don't look too special to me. Yep, that's it.